So what is an apprenticeship? An apprenticeship is like a full-time job with training. They typically suit people who are hands-on and want to learn practically in a work environment. You get valuable work experience and nationally recognised qualifications and are often kept on by the company at the end of the apprenticeship. You're not expected to know everything at the start of an apprenticeship. You'll learn by working alongside experienced members of staff. You'll have a mentor, a contract of employment and paid holidays. Importantly, you'll be paid for an apprenticeship, a minimum of £4.15 an hour. Employers can pay more than this and they quite often do. The minimum rate is set at £4.15 an hour because you're getting a lot of training for this, a lot of input from the employer and from the college. 20% of your time on an apprenticeship will be spent training on a day or a block release basis. A lot of this time is still spent learning practically with our tutors in our well-equipped workshops. This will lead to assessments that give you your qualifications. Apprenticeships can last between 12 months and 4 years depending on the level. A lot of people think apprenticeships are just for 16-year-olds, but you can do an apprenticeship at any age. So you could start one straight from school, or you could do A-levels or a vocational college course first. Over the 3 college sites, we cover a very wide range of apprenticeships. At Stevenson, we have lots of different types of construction or building apprenticeships. We cover bricklaying, carpentry and joinery, electrical installation, plumbing, painting and decorating, and maintenance operations. We also offer engineering, childcare, hairdressing and beauty, teaching and learning assistant, customer service, business administration and accounts, and we do one called construction in the built environment or professional construction that can lead to surveying, civil engineering and architectural technician. Brooksby Melton in their lovely rural settings are able to offer agriculture and forestry operations. They also offer health and social care, childcare, construction and joinery, horticulture, hospitality and catering, land-based service engineering and motor vehicle engineering, both light and heavy, which is also offered at Stevenson College. We are lucky to work with many large multinational companies, and some of our partners like Renault and Barrett can be seen on the screen. We also work with lots of small local companies, some with only 2 or 3 employees. The main criteria is that the company can offer a suitable, sustainable period of training in a safe environment. So how do I apply for an apprenticeship? All apprenticeships are advertised on the .gov National Apprenticeship website. You can register what type of apprenticeship you would like and set a radius of where you're prepared to travel. When you spot a vacancy you want to apply for, the site will explain how to do that. You'll need to upload a CV. As with a full-time job, the employer will choose who they want to see from the CVs and applications and arrange an interview. Some of the larger employers could recruit any time from September onwards, so it's worth looking now, but most of the adverts will be for a more or less immediate start, so the site will become more useful just before leaving school. The SMB apprenticeship team keep a database of young people interested in apprenticeships. If you contact us, we can give you more details of what is available and keep your details on file for apprenticeships that we may advertise in the future. We do advertise all our apprenticeships on the National Apprenticeship website and on our college website. Another way to find an apprenticeship is to be proactive and try and find your own employer. If you come to us with an employer who wants to train you, we can supply the college course and set up an apprenticeship around you. Sometimes this might be a friend or a family member. So it is worth sending your CV out to employers. Talk to friends and family. Arrange possibly some work experience because this sometimes turns into an apprenticeship. If you don't already have a CV, take the time to complete one. Make sure that you have a strong personal profile as an introduction, include any predicted grades, include some key skills, include any work experience. You might not think it's relevant to the job role, but it will show that you have been trusted by an employer and have a good work ethic. We also recommend that you don't give out referee details, just put references available on request at the bottom. On the screen in front of you is an example of a CV. It shows the headings you could use and some tips around the side. If you contact us at apprenticeships@stevensoncoll.ac.uk, we're very happy to send you a copy of this either by post or email. As an apprenticeship is an educational programme, there are entry requirements depending on the level of the course. It's really important to work hard on your English and maths in the final years of school, because this is what employers and colleges are looking for as eligibility for an apprenticeship. Also, if you can get a grade 4 in both these subjects, you won't have to then resit them as part of the apprenticeship course. If you don't hold the right grades, we might ask you to take an assessment to indicate your current working level, which will identify if you're able to cope with the course. So how does the current situation affect apprenticeships? This year we have seen a big drop in the amount of apprenticeships advertised due to the pandemic. Employers have been hit financially and are reluctant to recruit in these uncertain times. However, there are now government incentives to encourage them, and we are confident that numbers will rise. We must stress, if you do want an apprenticeship after leaving school, it's even more important to start the search early and make sure that you have a plan B. Think about applying for a college course to give you some skills to take forward to an apprenticeship and to have something there for you in September. So at SMB Group, we're always here to help you. If you want to contact us, you can contact us at Stevenson College at services@stevensoncoll, or at the apprenticeships at stevensoncoll.ac.uk, or if you want careers advice, careers@stevensoncoll. You can always request a call back. This is available on our website, and you can apply on our website. The same at Brooksby Melton. You can go on course inquiries at Brooksby Melton, request a call back at www.brooksbymelton.ac.uk, book a call, or you can apply on the website at Brooksby Melton. Please don't hesitate to contact us with any questions. We really like to think that at this stage we can give you as much help as possible into finding the course or apprenticeship that's right for you. Under normal circumstances, we would have an open day where you could come along, have a look round our college and talk to all our tutors and have a look at our facilities. Due to present restrictions, we're going to have to do this virtually. And our first one is on Saturday the 7th of November at the Stevenson campus between 10 and 1. You'll be able to experience as much of the college as possible through course-specific presentations. There'll be virtual tours, there's question and answer sessions with current students and live question and answer sessions with our lecturers. There's interactive areas with activities and challenges and presentations from many different areas of the college. The admissions team will be available to assist with the application process, and there will be a personal careers advisor able to give you personal advice. We will be running similar virtual open days at our Brooksby and Melton campuses. The first one at Brooksby is on Saturday the 31st of October between 10 and 1. At Melton, it's Saturday the 21st of November between 10 and 1. Please consider joining us. These will give you an excellent insight into college life and allow you to ask your own questions and get some valuable advice about the next steps.